All right, last lesson of this unit. Woohoo, way to go. So this is that reflection like you've done before. Thinking back about all the texts we've read and the videos that we've watched, you're going to answer this question. Why do we value certain qualities in people? What are the best qualities for overcoming challenges? So thinking about why we value certain qualities. Say we value the quality of hard work. Why do we value that? Why do we like it when people are kind? Why do we like it when people listen to other people well? As well as what are the best qualities for overcoming challenges? So if we have something hard in our life, what are some good qualities to have that will help us overcome that challenge and make it through and find success? You can consider also, what did you learn this unit? What did you connect with this unit? Try to have as many details as possible and more examples than when you answered it at the beginning. So I would shoot for at least 3 sentences. Considering we read all of these texts, you watched some videos about social justice, a video by Clint Smith, one of Kwame Alexander. So you looked at a lot of different information, text, videos. So use that as you write your answer. Thinking about, again, why we value certain qualities, certain characteristics, certain personality things, and then what are the best qualities for overcoming challenges, making it through those difficult times. I would love to help you brainstorm if you are stuck. Feel free to brainstorm with each other as well if that helps, and write as good of an answer as you can.